All right, Pinterest, what do you got for me? Marry me chicken. That sounds good. All right, sheet pan with pork. Okay. Tacos. Yep, love it, love it. Okay, marry me chicken pasta. A little different. Okay. High protein garlic bites. Okay. Sheet pan tacos. Okay. Marry me chicken risotto. Okay. Okay, protein pasta. Yep, we got it. All right. Protein chicken bites. Okay. All right. Okay, something a little bit. Here we go. Creamy marry me chicken. Okay. No, all right. Okay. All right. Okay. Here we go. Tacos. Okay. Spaghetti. Lots of pasta. All right. Marry me chicken tacos. What?